Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for joining me and watching my video. Today's video is going to be a quick review on some lipsticks that I have received from IGXO Cosmetics. Now, I am an affiliate of their brand. I have been posting a lot of Instagram pictures of these lippies, and you guys can feel free to check out their website. They have awesome lipsticks. I can't wait to try more of them, but so far I received 4. So this one is Yvonne. I guess she was in collaboration with IGXO Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Legend. When you get the package, it looks like this. And this is the back. And it also has a little color right here so that you know what color you're using. And then this is the box that it comes in. And then when you open up the box, it has a really nice big mirror. And these are the products. So this one is called Legend, my bad. Legend, and it comes with a liquid lipstick, which is this here, and you can see the shade right through that little window. It has the shade name on the bottom, and then it also comes with a lip liner. So these were on sale. I got them for $5. They do have really awesome sales because they have pretty good price lipsticks to begin with, but then they have awesome sales, so you have to be on alert with that because they be going on sale like no tomorrow. So this is the lip liner, and that's what it looks like. I've been using it, so obviously you can see that I've been using it. That's what the lip liner shade looks like. And let me show you the liquid lippy. So that's what it looks like. And for the most part, when I've been wearing these liquid lipsticks, I've been wearing them all day, and they last for most of the day. Wear without having to reapply them. That's without eating, and also with a little bit of eating, like snacking, but not oily food. This is another liquid lippy from IGXO Cosmetics, and it's in collaboration with Marielle. I think that's how you say her name. And this is what it looks like. This one does not come with a mirror, but it tells you how to apply the liquid lippy. This one is in the shade Taco. And the lip liner is like this. I like that the lip liners are not gel, but they feel really smooth when you put them on your lips. They don't feel like they're tugging at your lips, which is nice because I hate that shit so bad. Is Icon, which is my favorite. It is a nice peachy pink. Perfect nude. Look how cute that looks. I love it. That's my favorite one. And I'm not the type of person to really wear a lot of pinks or really like pink per se, but this color is really nice. This is another one by Marielle, and this is a more wine color liquid lippy. And it makes my teeth look super, super white. So these are all the colors that I currently have. I expect to get some more, but if you would like to shop my affiliate link, you can go to my website. I'll link it down below. That way you guys can see all the rest we're working with as well, affiliated with. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. It was really short and quick and to the point, but I wanted to share that with you guys because I've been wearing these lips for about 2 weeks now, and I really wanted to get into detail with this. I do feel like if you have really dry lips, you should always moisturize, like do a lip scrub, moisturize, and all that stuff before you apply any liquid lip, just because you want the liquid lip to look really nice and smooth. Throughout the day, it won't be all clumpy and dry looking or patchy. So that's what I've been doing, and it's been really helping my lips stay hydrated and all that stuff, so that the liquid lippies look really nice throughout the day. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.